Hey everybody, I am here to help with solving word problems, especially those that have an unknown in a position within the equation that we have to find. So today in class we learned, or we actually practiced solving word problems with unknowns using this exact word problem about Jack and the Beanstalk. So what we're going to do is read through the word problem and follow the three-step process to solving it, just like you see in the homework. So let's get started. Jack's beanstalk was 40 feet tall on Monday. It grew for 3 more days. On Thursday, it measured 78 feet tall. How much did it grow? So now that we've read it, that's called our first read. We have to do a second read, but this time underline the important information that's going to help us make our tape diagram. Jack's beanstalk was 40 feet tall on Monday. 40 feet tall seems like an important piece of information that we need to underline. It grew for 3 more days. We don't need the number 3, but we do want to circle the fact that it grew for some amount of time. On Thursday, it measured 78 feet tall. How much did it grow? That is our question. So now we're going to take this information and we're going to make a tape diagram. A tape diagram is literally taking what is in the word problem and then making a diagram left to right just as we read it. Jack's beanstalk was 40 feet tall on Monday. Let's draw our tape here and label it 40 feet. It grew for 3 more days. On Thursday, it measured 78 feet tall. So we know that that is the total. 78 feet. So our unknown is this little part right here. How do we get from 40 to 78? We could take this tape diagram and make our equation, again going left to right, up and down. 40 feet plus question mark, just like we have here, equals 78 feet. Now that we have our tape diagram, our equation, it's time to solve. In class, we do it with an open number line and with base 10 blocks. So I'll start with the open number line and then check it using base 10 blocks. So here's our open number line. We're going to start with 40. And we're going to try to get to 78. So I'll just make an estimation because I know I can do 10 jumps here. So 40 plus 10 I know is 50 plus 10, that's 60. 60, that's close to 70, but it's not quite there yet. I can make another 10 jump. And now I'm at 70. I got my tens place. How many jumps will it take for me to get from 70 to 78? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. That took 8 jumps. So I know that that's my start, 40. This is the sum, 78. So this question mark is the total number of jumps that we took. So let's figure it out. We took 10, 20, 38 jumps. So, how much did it grow? It grew 38 feet. Because we're good mathematicians, we can check our work just to be sure that we are right. So down here, I'll make a smaller 10 to 1 chart. So I'm going to do something a little different using the same numbers. This time though, I'm going to subtract. So I have 78, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. I'll take away 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now what's left over? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So we've showed that we can find this unknown using addition or subtraction. And both strategies were able to find that the beanstalk grew 38 feet.